Let's just do a quick review of this particular problem. So we have a cell in our body somewhere, right? And this is the nucleus. So there's our cell, and it's running close to a capillary. It's always next to a capillary, right? So here's our capillary, our bloodstream, and we've just eaten breakfast in the morning. So our cells have been starving all night long. So they've used up most of their sugars, so maybe we have a little bit, but they're starving, right? And in our bloodstream, we've just eaten breakfast. So there's just tons of glucose in the bloodstream. Okay, so where does it want to go? Well, if we're going to even out, it wants to go in, right? So right here, you can rule out active transport because it's going down its concentration gradient, right? If it was active transport, it'd have to be going up its concentration gradient or going from the cell back into the bloodstream. So we now know it's a passive, it's a diffusion, but we had said before that glucose is too big to pass through on its own, which means that there has to be some kind of transporter protein that's allowing it through, that GLUT4, right? So in this case, it has to be facilitated diffusion.